Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get iPhone ringtone in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to get iPhone ringtone on your phone, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and here you must have to install a third-party app. So open search and here you just have to search for iPhone ringtone. Simply search for that and here you'll get different apps. You can easily try which one you want. As in my case, I'm going to select, for example, this one. Just select that app, then tap on install and the app will be installed on your phone. You just have to wait for its installation and then we'll have a simple setup. Once the app has been installed, just tap on this open option to open the app. And here, you just have to skip this ad. Just tap on the skip option. And here, you just have to select allow. And here, just allow some permission. Just tap on OK. And here, allow permission. And here, you just have to select the ringtone which you want to set as your own ringtone. You can easily listen the ringtone from here. In my case, I'm going to select, for example, this one. Just tap on these three dots, and here you just have to select on which ringtone you want to set this. Is here the ringtone, alarm, notification, and the contact option. I'm going to select is ringtone, and here you have to skip this ad again. Just tap here the skip option, and you can see that the iPhone ringtone has been successfully set on your default ringtone. So in this way you can easily get iPhone ringtone on any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.